SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training. Learn and upgrade your skills and knowledge from experts with Proexcellency. Introduction: SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses automate and streamline their invoice processing. It automates tasks such as invoice capture, data extraction, approval routing, and posting. VIM also provides insights into invoice processing trends and helps businesses identify areas for improvement. The benefits of using SAP VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, offers numerous benefits, making your invoice processing smoother and more efficient. Here's a brief overview. Efficiency: SAP VIM automates manual tasks, freeing up your team for more strategic work. Accuracy: it reduces errors in invoice processing through automation and validation checks. Cost reduction: save time and effort, cutting down on processing costs. Supplier relationships: streamline processes and visibility, improve relations with suppliers. Compliance: features like audit trails and invoice archiving help you meet industry regulations. Cash flow: speedier invoice processing means faster payments. Risk reduction: automation and validation checks minimize fraud and errors. Visibility: real-time tracking of invoice status helps identify issues early. Scalability: SAP VIM grows with your business and supports the latest technologies. In a nutshell, SAP VIM enhances efficiency, accuracy, cost-effectiveness, supplier relations, compliance, risk management, cash flow, visibility, and scalability in your invoice processing. The features of using SAP VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, is a cloud-based tool that simplifies and automates invoice processing for businesses. Its key features include automated data entry: SAP VIM captures, extracts, and routes invoices automatically, reducing manual data entry. Invoice matching: it ensures invoices match purchase orders and supporting documents, reducing errors and fraud. Custom approval workflows: VIM allows for tailored approval workflows to ensure the right people review invoices. Supplier relationship management: manage supplier relations with electronic purchase orders and invoices. Compliance support: SAP VIM helps businesses adhere to industry regulations like Sarbanes-Oxley Act and GDPR. Additional features: optical character recognition, OCR, for data extraction. Machine learning to identify patterns and prevent fraud. Artificial intelligence for automating tasks. Analytics and reporting for performance tracking. In summary, SAP VIM streamlines invoice processing, benefiting businesses in various ways. The challenges of using SAP VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, offers powerful automation for invoice processing but comes with its share of challenges. Complexity: SAP VIM's numerous features can be daunting, particularly for newcomers to SAP. Integration: integrating VIM with other SAP systems like ERP and SRM can be time-consuming and complex. Data quality: high-quality data is essential for VIM, potentially requiring data cleansing and enrichment. Process changes: implementing VIM may necessitate significant changes to existing processes, leading to employee training needs. Cost: the implementation and maintenance costs of SAP VIM can be substantial. To overcome these challenges, expert assistance: engage experienced consultants to guide you through the setup and address industry-specific issues. Thorough planning: carefully plan your VIM implementation, outlining your needs, setting a timeline, and budgeting accordingly. Employee training: train your staff in advance to minimize disruption and ensure effective usage. Continuous monitoring: regularly assess VIM's performance and make adjustments to meet evolving needs. By following these steps, you can effectively harness SAP VIM's capabilities and reap its benefits. Why choose for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM? SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, offers compelling reasons to consider. Automation. VIM automates manual tasks like data entry and invoice matching, reducing processing costs and freeing up staff for strategic work. Accuracy. It validates invoices against purchase orders, minimizing errors and disputes with suppliers. Efficiency. VIM reduces invoice processing time, improving cash flow and accelerating payments. Supplier relations. Enhance supplier satisfaction by providing visibility into invoice status, reducing inquiries. Regulatory compliance. VIM ensures compliance with industry regulations in a secure, auditable environment. Scalability. Suitable for organizations of all sizes, VIM adapts to your evolving needs. In addition, VIM is user-friendly, easy to implement, and supported by experienced SAP professionals for optimal results. Advantages of choosing for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, offers numerous advantages. Boosted efficiency. Automates invoice tasks, freeing up your team for strategic work. Cost savings. Reduces labor, postage, and late payment expenses. Enhanced accuracy. Minimizes errors through automation. Lowered risk. Decreases fraud risk with audit trails and policy compliance. Improved control, real-time visibility, and issue resolution in your workflow. Supplier relations. Timely, accurate payments strengthen supplier relationships. Scalability. Adapts to your business needs for future growth. Specific benefits include processing invoices from any source, paper, email, AD. Automated matching and approval workflows. Detailed invoice reporting. Integration with other SAP ERP modules, example, accounts payable and procurement. In summary, SAP VIM streamlines invoice processing, making it more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective. How to get started with SAP VIM? To begin with SAP VIM, follow these key steps. Evaluate your needs, understand your invoice processing challenges, and set clear goals for SAP VIM implementation. Choose the right solution. Select the most suitable SAP VIM solution based on your budget, resources, and specific requirements. Implement SAP VIM. Install and configure the software. Establish invoice workflows, integrate with other SAP systems, and train your staff. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor system performance, make necessary adjustments, and track progress toward your goals. Additional tips. Start small, begin with a few simple workflows, and gradually expand as you become comfortable. Engage your staff. Explain the benefits of SAP VIM to your team to gain their support. Use available resources, leverage SAP documentation, online training, and support from SAP partners. Be patient, understand that SAP VIM implementation and optimization take time. Don't be discouraged by immediate results. Following these steps and tips will help you successfully implement SAP VIM for automated invoice processing. How to use SAP VIM to automate your invoice processing. Automating invoice processing with SAP VIM. Set up SAP VIM for automation, define workflows, approval rules, and integrate with SAP systems. Create approval workflows with defined roles and order of approval. Match invoices to purchase orders using SAP VIM. Automatically post approved invoices to SAP ERP. Utilize SAP VIM's reports for performance tracking and improvement. Additional tips. Use OCR for data extraction. Implement AD for electronic invoices. Ensure accuracy with the three-way match process. Use exception workflows for special cases. How to use SAP VIM to improve your invoice accuracy. To enhance invoice accuracy with SAP VIM, follow these steps. Configure SAP VIM with validation rules and integration into SAP systems. Validate invoices against vendor, item, and pricing data. Check invoices against purchase orders for quantities, prices, and delivery dates. Verify invoices against receipts for accuracy. Utilize SAP VIM for generating useful invoice reports. Additional tips for accuracy. Employ standardized invoice formats for better validation. Implement a three-way match process to ensure alignment with orders and receipts. Set up exception workflows for special case approvals. By doing so, SAP VIM streamlines invoice processing, reducing costs, boosting efficiency, and minimizing errors. How to use SAP VIM to reduce your invoice processing costs. Reduce invoice processing costs. Automate your invoice processing workflow. SAP VIM can automate many of the manual tasks involved in invoice processing, such as data entry, invoice matching, and approval routing. This can help you to reduce the number of staff you need to process invoices, and to free up your staff to focus on more strategic tasks. Use electronic invoicing, AD. AD is a standard format for exchanging invoices electronically. It can help you to reduce the cost of printing and mailing invoices, and to improve the efficiency of your invoice processing process. Take advantage of early payment discounts. Many suppliers offer discounts for early payment. You can use SAP VIM to automate your early payment process so that you can take advantage of these discounts and save money. How to use SAP VIM to improve your supplier relationships. Improve supplier relationships. Pay your suppliers on time. SAP VIM can help you to automate your payment process so that you can pay your suppliers on time, every time. This will help you to build trust with your suppliers and improve your relationships with them. Provide your suppliers with visibility into the invoice processing process. SAP VIM can provide your suppliers with visibility into the status of their invoices. This can help to reduce the number of inquiries you receive from suppliers and to improve their overall experience. Collaborate with your suppliers to improve the quality of your invoices. SAP VIM can help you to identify and resolve invoice errors early on. This can help to reduce the number of rejected invoices and improve the efficiency of your invoice processing process. How to use SAP VIM to comply with industry regulations. SAP VIM offers valuable compliance support in various ways. Automated invoice processing, SAP VIM reduces the risk of errors, ensuring accurate and consistent invoice processing. Approval workflows, it enforces proper invoice reviews and approvals, enhancing compliance. Audit trail, SAP VIM keeps a record of all invoice changes, aiding compliance audits by tracking modifications and responsible parties. Reporting, it generates reports for tracking compliance, such as late payments or unapproved invoices. To use SAP VIM for compliance, first, identify relevant regulations and configure SAP VIM accordingly. How to use SAP VIM to prepare for future invoice processing needs. SAP VIM offers several advantages for future invoice processing. Automation, SAP VIM streamlines your invoice processing, boosting efficiency by automating tasks. Integration, it seamlessly integrates with SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA, reducing errors and manual data entry. Scalability, SAP VIM grows with your business, ensuring it can handle your future invoice processing requirements. To prepare for the future, assess your current workflow, identify areas for improvement, and configure SAP VIM to meet your needs. How to implement SAP VIM in your organization. Implementing SAP VIM in your organization involves several key steps and considerations. Evaluate your current process. Analyze your current invoice processing workflow to identify areas where SAP VIM can streamline operations. Build a business case. Create a compelling case outlining how SAP VIM can cut costs, boost efficiency, and enhance compliance. Gain management approval. Seek approval from senior management to proceed with the SAP VIM implementation. Create an implementation plan. Develop a plan detailing timelines, budgets, and the necessary resources for the project. Select an implementation partner. Partner with experienced SAP VIM experts for a successful implementation. Configure SAP VIM. Customize the system to meet your specific requirements. Data migration. Transfer existing invoice data to SAP VIM from your current system. User training. Educate your team on how to use SAP VIM effectively. Thorough testing. Test the system extensively to ensure it works correctly. Go live. After successful testing, launch SAP VIM in your organization. Additional tips. Start with the core SAP VIM features to establish a strong foundation. Implement in phases to minimize disruption. Involve users at all levels for buy-in and success. Provide continuous training and support to optimize SAP VIM usage. By following these steps and tips, you can smoothly implement SAP VIM and enjoy the benefits it offers. Tips for getting the most out of SAP VIM. To maximize the benefits of SAP VIM. Customize SAP VIM to match your business needs, including setting up workflows and defining rules. Automate invoice processing tasks with SAP VIM to free up your team for more strategic work. Use SAP VIM's reporting tools for tracking and process improvement. Keep your SAP VIM system up to date with the latest releases. Invest in SAP VIM training to use it effectively. For added efficiency, integrate SAP VIM with other SAP systems for streamlined processes. Utilize the mobile app for on-the-go invoice approvals. Tap into SAP support resources for assistance with any issues. These steps will enhance your invoice processing operations. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, Best Practices. Certainly, here are some key best practices for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM. Centralize invoice processing. Streamline your operations by consolidating invoice processing in one place. Automation. Automate tasks wherever possible to free up staff for more strategic work. Optical character recognition, OCR. Use OCR technology to capture invoice data accurately and reduce errors. Match invoices to purchase orders. Ensure that payments are made only for authorized invoices by matching them to purchase orders. Approval workflow. Implement an approval process to review and authorize invoices before payment. Regular reconciliation. Conduct periodic reconciliations to identify and resolve errors or discrepancies. Tracking metrics. Monitor invoice processing metrics to identify areas for improvement. Additional tips. Utilize SAP VIM features. Leverage SAP VIM's built-in features for automation, approval workflows, and reconciliation. Integrate with other SAP systems. Integrate SAP VIM with other SAP systems for seamless data flow and reduced manual entry. Compliance support. Use SAP VIM to adhere to industry regulations like Sarbanes-Oxley and GDPR. Training. Invest in SAP VIM training to effectively utilize the system for enhanced efficiency and cost reduction. By following these practices, you can enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness of your invoice processing. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, Support Resources. Sure, here are support resources for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM. Official SAP Help Portal. The SAP Help Portal is the primary source for VIM documentation, user guides, and technical information. SAP Community Network. Connect with other VIM users and seek help in the dedicated VIM community on the SAP Community Network. SAP Support. If you encounter issues, SAP Support offers paid assistance to customers. SAP Partners. Explore SAP's network of partners who can provide VIM support. You can find them on the SAP Partner Finder website. Additionally, there are third-party resources like books, articles, online courses, and consultants available to help you with SAP VIM. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, Career Opportunities in India. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, Career Opportunities in India are booming, with companies adopting SAP VIM solutions for automated invoice processing. Key job roles include SAP VIM Consultant, design and implement SAP VIM solutions. SAP VIM Functional Analyst, develop workflows to automate invoice processes. SAP VIM Technical Analyst, configure and maintain SAP VIM systems. SAP VIM Project Manager, plan and execute VIM projects. SAP VIM Support Engineer, provide technical support to VIM users. SAP VIM Trainer, train users for efficient invoice processing. To succeed, understand SAP VIM, get certified, gain experience, and network with professionals. These steps enhance your SAP VIM career prospects in India. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, salary expectations in India. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, professional salaries in India vary based on factors like experience and skills. On average, they earn around 7.5 lakhs rupees per year. Here's a breakdown by experience level. Entry level, 4 lakhs rupees to 5 lakhs rupees per year. Mid-level, 6 lakhs rupees to 8 lakhs rupees per year. Senior level, 9 lakhs rupees to 12 lakhs rupees per year. Manager level, 13 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs rupees per year. To boost your salary as an SAP VIM professional. Gain experience through projects or freelance work. Develop specialized skills like OpenText VIM or SAP Ariba. Obtain SAP VIM certification. Network with peers and attend industry events. Negotiate your salary when considering a new job offer. Following these steps can help you earn what you're worth in the Indian SAP VIM market. Why choose for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training? SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training offers several advantages. Convenience, learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world, eliminating the need for travel or fixed schedules. Affordability, online courses are often more budget-friendly, with potential discounts available. Flexibility, tailor your learning to your schedule and revisit material as needed. Quality, many online courses are led by experienced, certified instructors, ensuring high-quality education. Career advancement, SAP VIM expertise is in high demand, opening doors in various industries. Additional benefits include access to the latest materials, instructor support, and hands-on experience, making online training a great choice for SAP VIM learning. Explore a variety of courses to suit your needs and budget. Advantages of choosing for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training. Online SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, training offers several key benefits. Convenience, learn at your own pace from anywhere, with 24/7 access to materials. Affordability, no travel expenses, making it cost-effective. Flexibility, tailor your learning to your needs, focusing on specific areas. Interactivity, engaging exercises and simulations enhance your learning experience. Support, access to instructors and peer support for assistance. Specifically for SAP VIM training. Expert instruction, Learn from experienced professionals in the field. Hands-on practice. Gain practical experience in a virtual SAP VIM environment. Certification preparation. Get ready for the SAP VIM certification exam, showcasing your skills to potential employers. Topics covered in SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training. SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training typically includes the following topics. Introduction to SAP VIM covers the basics, benefits, and architecture. VIM configuration explains how to tailor VIM to your organization's needs. Document processing details the invoice processing workflow. Exception handling teaches how to manage invoice exceptions. Reporting shows how to generate various reports. Best practices offers tips for effective VIM usage. Some courses may also cover integration with other SAP systems, advanced features like OCR and electronic invoice processing, troubleshooting common issues. Select a course that aligns with your organization's needs and consider the instructor's qualifications. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training? Consider Proexcellency for SAP Vendor Invoice Management, VIM, online training for these key reasons. Expert instructors. Our certified instructors are highly experienced in SAP VIM, ensuring you receive top-notch training. Comprehensive and current. We cover all vital aspects of SAP VIM, keeping you updated with the latest software releases. Flexibility and convenience. Access training online at your pace from anywhere, with 24/7 material availability. Community and support. Join a supportive SAP VIM learner community and receive ongoing instructor assistance. Certification prep. Our training prepares you for the SAP VIM certification exam, a vital step in advancing your career. Choose Proexcellency to kickstart your SAP VIM journey. Contact us today for more information on our online training programs. Information of contact us 0803150868 vertical bar plus 918722079509 www.proexcellency.com info@proexcellency.com vertical bar afan@proexcellency.com Bangalore, Karnataka. Thank you for your attention.